Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at some of the top causes of a turbocharger failure. A turbocharger is a type of forced induction system used in engines to increase power output. A turbocharger uses the exhaust gas from the engine to spin a turbine, and this turbine is connected to a compressor which draws in air and compresses it before sending it into the engine's intake. The increased air pressure from the turbocharger allows the engine to burn more fuel and air, generating more power compared to a naturally aspirated engine. This boost in power output comes without a significant increase in engine displacement. Turbochargers are widely used in modern engines, high-performance sports cars, or turbo diesel trucks to extract maximum power from the engine. Now, let's have a look at some of the most common and top causes of turbocharger failure. 1. The number one cause of a turbocharger failure is oil starvation or oil contamination. Insufficient lubrication or oil contamination can cause the turbo bearings and the turbo seals to wear out permanently and wear out prematurely. So the number one cause of a turbocharger failure is oil starvation. Excessive oil consumption on the side of the engine is also another cause. If the engine is burning oil, if the engine is leaking oil, it can get into the turbocharger and then damage the components. Always remember, oil will lubricate the turbocharger. It will also cool the turbocharger. So sufficient oil flow has to be there in order to have a prolonged service life of the turbocharger. 2. Lack of maintenance. Failing to change the engine oil and filter on schedule can lead to oil sludge buildup, which impairs oil flow to the turbocharger. And lack of maintenance can lead to turbocharger failure. 3. Foreign object damage. Debris, stones, or other objects getting sucked into the turbocharger air intake can damage the compressor wheel, especially if the engine is driven with the air filter detached. That can suck in foreign objects that will cause permanent damage to the compressor wheel. 4. Excessive engine temperature. High underhood temperatures from prolonged high RPM or operating under heavy load can overheat the turbocharger, leading to premature failure. Failure of linked components is another cause of turbocharger failure. Problem with the wastegate valve, for example, problem with the intercooler or other linked parts can overload the turbocharger and damage it. Some of the other causes of a turbocharger failure include overboost condition, for example. When the turbo generates more boost pressure than the system is designed for, it can mechanically overload the components. Cooling system issues, as we have mentioned, if there is a problem with the cooling system, lack of or malfunction in the engine cooling system can cause the turbo to overheat, leading to premature failure. Sometimes turbo lag and slow response time can also lead to increased combustion chamber pressure, which can cause damage to the turbocharger. Engine knock, turbo lag associated with engine knock, sudden turbo boost combined with engine knock can also create severe mechanical stress. So, proper maintenance, operating the engine within the design parameters, and addressing any underlying issues promptly are very essential and key to preventing turbocharger failure. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the top causes of a turbocharger failure. If you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.